Apart from linear and rectangular 3D patterns, we can also create circular 3D patterns in Solidworks. In this way, we can create quickly and easily copies of a solid object in a circular pattern. So without further ado, let's move on to an example. As you can see in the open document, I have already created a part which has a simple hole. In fact, I want to create 5 similar holes in this part. This can be easily achieved with the Circular Pattern tool. You can activate the Circular Pattern tool if you click on the arrow below the linear pattern icon, which can be found in the Features ribbon. Once I activate the tool, the Property Manager palette activates automatically. So I will go to the Features and Faces area and I will activate the Features field. Then I will select the Hole feature. Next, I will click on the Direction 1 field to activate it and I will select the circular edge of the part. Once I did, a circular array was created automatically. I will specify the number of copies in the Number of Instances field. So I will type the number 5 in this field and I will press Enter. If the equal spacing option is active, the distance between the features will be equal and the angle field will show the total angle covered by all the objects. Therefore, from the angle field, I can determine whether the pattern will cover the entire circle or part of the circle. In this example, I will change the value in the angle field to 180 and notice how the preview changes. If I want to change the direction of the pattern, then all I have to do is click on the reverse direction button. Now we'll restore the angle to 360 degrees. If I activate the Instant Spacing option, in the Angle field appears the angle between the objects and not the total angle. Notice how the preview changes once I activate this option. Now I will type the number 30 in the Angle field and I will press Enter to see the result. Now it's time to activate the Direction 2 option. As you can see, the settings of Direction 2 are the same with the Direction 1. In this way, I can create a circular pattern in both directions. In fact, I can also change the angle and the number of instances in the second direction. For example, I will type the number 3 in the number of instances and press Enter. Then I will orbit the view to show you the result. Now that I showed you how you can create a circular pattern in both directions, I will deactivate the Direction 2 options. In addition, I will go back to the Direction 1 and I will reactivate the Equal Spacing option. At this point, I want you to look at the bottom side of the Property Manager palette. As happens with a linear pattern, there is the Instances to Skip option in the Circular Pattern too. So I will expand this option and I will activate the Instances to Skip field. Once I do, a dot appears on each copy of the pattern. If I click on a dot, then the corresponding copy disappears from the pattern. I can make the copy reappear if I click on the same dot again. In this example, I won't remove any of the copies, and I will click on the check mark to create the circular pattern. This feature appears in the Feature Manager design tree, and I can click on it and select Edit Feature to edit it again. So this is how you create 3D circular patterns in Solidworks. Now you can use this tool to create your own circular patterns.